Hello Lord of the Rings, Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another exciting statue I'd like to show you, and it is Gandalf the White from the classic series from Weta Workshop. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's get right into it. So let's open this right out of the box here. Let's get this stand up here real quick. And this is in the classic series, like I said before. I love this line. They're a 1/6 scale. Reach that over. And there's front. Here's the art box for it. So you can see, Gandalf the White. And the side. And the back. And the side. Back to the front. And I love Gandalf the White. Just a very cool statue. I wanted this one really bad, so I finally got it. White. I love the smell of opening the box. Okay, and I think, yeah, this is the top. From there, oh, perfect, there we go. And here, I think the base is underneath, yep. Get out of the box real quick here, very carefully. What the heck? Oh, that peeled right out. Wonder where the base is. Oh, I think I know what I have to do here. So just keep him in there temporarily. Yes, no, I gotta take him right out and put him somewhere very safely. The base is on the bottom of the styrofoam box. See here. Oh, whew. Just be careful, you get lots of foam open when you do that. Okay. Because I was cutting into the thing, into the styrofoam at the same time. So, I'll show you. I'll sweep off after. So sculpted by Gary Hunt. Very cool base. Pretty cool. Let's grab Gandalf. I wish they didn't do these. There we go. That went together actually pretty good. Just got to line the peg and the two pegs correctly, or else you will break them. And then we have Gandalf the White's staff, which I like, is really, really cool. And just slide that in just carefully. Okay, so get that out of the way. That. Yeah, just an overview of that. So I'll bring that a little closer so you can see the styrofoam. Yeah, no, I really like this one. This is really, really nice. I like the staff and everything, and his cloak is really, really nice, and his portrait is dang good on this too. Yeah, and then you can see his glamdring and the scabbard. Just when you open the box, just be sure that you get your base out first, and then Gandalf out next. So I did that. So in that way, you're not having anything getting done wrong on Gandalf, so you don't get him, so he doesn't break on you. Because I almost snapped off the point of the scabbard when I set him down. So like this scabbard is pointing down at the back. So get your base out first, and then get Gandalf out next. But yeah, really, really nice. I'm gonna show you some close-ups here. So I'll set this up for some close-ups. So show you some close-ups here. And as you can see, the likeness of Gandalf from Ian McKellen is pretty darn good on this. You can see his Gandalf the White beard, and here's his robes. This is really, really nice. Like, wow. And the texture of the rock, really cool. The detail in his hair is pretty darn good. See the texture, what I was talking about in his cloak? And then even with his boots that he's wearing. So this is what I was talking about. Just about, but I didn't snap off that point of the scabbard when I was setting them down. So if you have to, set them down on something really, really soft. But you can see what I mean here with this cloak. Look at all the texture on this. That is just phenomenal. Phenomenal cloak. Really, really cool. And then the design on his sleeves. That's pretty cool as well. I really like that. And look at his boots. Look at the texture on his boots even. And his laces. That's pretty cool. I like that. And then his staff. That's pretty cool. This is the staff he gets from after he fights the Balrog. And goes to help Theoden get rid of Saruman in him. That was in him, possessed by Saruman. Uses that staff to get rid of Saruman. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And then Gandalf's brooch. And the design on the front. As you go down, it's like weathered a little bit, not much, from his travels. You can see his glamdring and his hilt from there. I really like the statue. It's pretty darn cool. I love the classic series. Like even his hair. Look how detailed his hair is. Go back to the front here. See his beard all detailed there. That's pretty cool. Weta Workshop, you guys did a really well job on this one here too. I really love this statue. I love the classic series, like I said. I even got Galadriel coming and Aragorn coming as well. So I got those two coming. Yeah. That's Gandalf the White. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of the Gandalf the White. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. See you guys in the next video. And stay tuned. I got lots more stuff coming up.